Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is going to be my DK63e unboxing, so let's get right into it. Alright, so I got the scissors, now we're just going to open it. So it comes in a nice, clean, white box. Sorry about my cat. So you can see I got Gateron red, and it's black keyboard, and it's wired. So I'm gonna open it, and alright, so now we got all the tape and stuff off the box, so I'm just gonna open it up. Sorry about my cat. She wants to go outside. Alright, so here's the keyboards and nice wrapping. Alright, so here's the keyboard like I showed you earlier. And it's got red switches. Let's see, did it come with a keyboard to show you? Alright, once I find the keycap holder, I will get back to you guys. Alright, so I found the keycap holder, so we're just gonna pull the escape key. Oh, that was kind of loud. Sorry about that, that was kind of loud. Alright, so here you got the Gateron reds. I love reds. This is what my first keyboard was, and I loved it. So back to the good old reds. I don't know a lot about keyboards, but I believe that this is a like switch puller. Oh, my keycap just fell on the ground. That's alright. I believe this is a switch puller, and I don't really know how to get the switches out. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know how to get the switches out, but I'm sure I'll learn. And it comes with a brown switch and a spare red. So I kind of want to get the brown switch out. Yeah, this is a brown switch. Clicky, but not tactile. So, yeah, that's what it sounds like when typing. And I'm gonna show you guys the LEDs. So, alright everyone, so I'm going to be showing you guys the lights. So here's the first option. It's just a wave going back and forth, as you can see. To change the colors, I do function and this bracket. Change the colors: red, green, blue or purple, like orange, yellow, pink, and blue. And just random. Next color is kind of like, it like ripples out from the middle, from the H key, as you can see. Ripples out. There's no color change for this one. Alright, next color option. Yeah, this one is like a, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a wave coming off of when I wherever I push. So if I push Alt, comes out from Alt, like goes all the way. It goes kind of fast, kind of weird. Not a fan of that color option. Okay. Alright, so this is the next color option. I don't really know. It's kind of weird. I'm probably not going to use this because it's just like different changing colors here, but here it's just staying the same, so I don't really know. No different color options. Alright, so next color. It just goes like around to the middle. Can change colors to all the colors that I've previously showed. My favorite is probably pink, but I'm not going to use this one. This one just, it's kind of like a zigzag, so it starts from here. And just, yeah, you can just see, has all the colors options also. Alright, next one. So it kind of comes from the sides. And just does like a circle. And alright, so this is the next color option. This is probably gonna be one that I use mainly. Just because it looks, I like it. It just looks like it's off, but it's actually wherever you push, color goes there, and it just fades out. So like, and you just see all the colors and then they fade out. Alright, next one. Yeah. Alright, this is the end. This is just, it's just looped again. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed. Actually, I'm gonna do it ASMR after this. Alright, I'll see you then.